Hello, Rick Smith here from Graveyard Furniture. I want to introduce what's going to be called my GYF line of repurposed furniture. It's going to be unique. It's going to have its own look. It's going to have its own style, its own technique. It's going to be done differently than anybody else does it. And it'll be done the way I want to do it. It's going to be beautiful. This is the first piece in the line. I've just put it up for sale, $125. All wood construction, originally built by Kirkland Furniture Company, which is one of the top 5 companies in the country for furniture. Hand painted pulls with gold leaf trimming on them. It's chalk paint and my own stain mix that I have. Put this all together with using my own technique. I'm done with the distressing. I'm not going to do distress on the GYF line of furniture. This is going to be my own kind here that I like, and it's beautiful. I'll do custom stuff for you. It's however I get the furniture in here. When I go pick up furniture that needs restored, rescued, whatever you want to call it. But I'll use my technique on it. If you want a piece, let me know. Color, stain choices, stuff like that. We'll get it done for you. So, thank you very much for your attention. We'll see you down the road.